In 5, 4, 2, 8. Welcome once again to Rick and John's Weekend Update with your host Rick and the stunt double Keith. Keith is Rick's stunt double. Okay, Keith, do your thing. Yeah.
Hi, folks.
Have to do that every week for at least 3 or 4 more weeks according to the contract. Look, he's looking at the camera this week. He's finally learned. We have a special guest today, a good friend of mine. At least I say he's a good friend. I don't know what he says about me, but Jason Irving, formerly of Administaff, now in the same business as I am, sort of a related business, Urban Recruiters, which is a... Did you get a cup of coffee?
No.
We didn't give him a cup of coffee. We're just horrible hosts. We'll take care of that. Yeah. So Urban Recruiters is recruiting and staff. The reason we should use Urban Recruiters is...
Because we're good at finding people.
There we go. Good at finding people. Not private detective finding people, but
right.
If you have a job and it's in, let's see, engineering, high tech,
yeah,
and human services.
Yes, yeah.
Another one of those personnel, none of those.
Yeah, those new phrases.
What do they call it? HR, human capital. That's my least favorite. Yeah. Human capital. I'm nobody's capital.
That's better than human trafficking.
Yeah, we don't deal in that.
Human trafficking. Okay, no. Keith chimes in from the West Wing with human trafficking. Okay.
The baseball season just started, so
okay.
Left field.
Left field. Okay.
Yes.
So you could bring us a bride from the Philippines or something.
Nope.
No. Okay.
No. Eddie.
The plural of y'all is all y'all.
Wasn't that Cajun? All y'all.
Actually, Kentucky they do Ewans. So a Ewan's going.
Right.
I know. I go up north. I'm from New York, upstate New York. And I'll go up there and say, "Are y'all going out?" And they'll go, "Y'all." I said, "Oh, I'm sorry. Let me do it upstate New York." What are you doing? People can find you at urbanrecruitersinc.com. And we'll put that over here in front of you. That's good. Say Urban Recruiters Inc. I hope I can fit it in there. urbanrecruitersinc.com. They have a very nice brochure.
And card.
And it's 407-437-9747. I'll put that up right across there.
Yeah.
And if you need someone, if you're hiring someone in the tech industry or engineering or even in HR, HS, whatever, personnel person, give them a call. I've been working with Jason for, 2.5 years now?
Yeah.
I've pretty much met you right off the boat.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, off the plane, actually.
Off the plane,
yeah. Yeah, we flew on the plane.
We got planes now.
Yeah, it's amazing what modern technology has brought to the world.
To think we started this whole country with boats.
You did, yeah.
I think they rode across, too. They didn't have motors.
Yeah, we sent those kind of nefarious characters.
Oh, the criminals.
Yeah.
We're all descended from, yes.
Yeah, well, what can I
convicts. And in this case, you can tell. Right? Perfect example over here. And this is the Army's best, coming up in, 3 weeks?
Can't post publicly.
It may or may not be sometime in May.
Operation Security. Let's just say within 3 weeks I won't be having to deal with Orlando traffic anymore.
Right. Do you know where they're sending you first? Can you say you may or may not be doing
basic? I'm going to Fort Benning first for 2 months.
Okay.
And then I'm going to Fort Gordon for at least 6 months, depending on...
Benning's in Georgia.
Yep.
Where's Fort Gordon?
In Augusta, Georgia.
It's also in Augusta. Too bad you can't be there this week.
Well, if I get delayed, which a lot of people have been getting, I'll be there in time for next year's Masters.
Okay. Well, this is Masters going on this week. This is Masters week. We're all wondering whether Tiger's going to repeat on his 10-year anniversary. Well, anyway, we want to thank you for joining us and wasting another 2 minutes 50 of your life. And thank you, Jason, for coming and sharing this with us. And I just want to say on behalf of Keith, Jason, and myself, just to remember, too, have a great weekend and see you next Thursday.